I'm so pleased.
You got the same thing!
Oh my god, it's so pretty!
Wow.
Hi everyone, so I have the most exciting video in the world. Like, I cannot believe that this video is sponsored by Box Lunch. I was literally just freaking out about their Naruto and Hello Kitty and Friends collection on Twitter. Next thing you know it, I'm sponsored by Box Lunch. So I am so honored to be part of the 12 Days of Giving with Box Lunch. And so between December 1st and December 12th, for every view that the 12 Days of Giving videos will get, Box Lunch is going to donate a meal to Feeding America up to $100,000. And each 10 cents is going to provide at least one meal secured by Feeding America and local food banks. And that includes this video, so for each view that this video gets, Box Lunch is going to donate one meal with Feeding America. And in wake of the coronavirus pandemic, up to 54 million people are at risk of hunger in 2020, and that includes 18 million children. Additionally, for every $10 spent at Box Lunch, whether you're in-store or online, one meal is donated through Feeding America. And there are so many ways to shop safely at Box Lunch. You can go online or in-store where you will be helped in a safe way, or you can buy online and pick up in-store. You can do curbside pickup, there's kiosks, or there's a new thing that they're doing, and that is through a new personal appointment system. And in this video, me and my friends are doing a really safe distance thing, so we just all placed our online orders, and we're just gonna FaceTime each other and you know, just like share our haul with you guys. So yeah, let's talk about the things that I got. I got an Akatsuki blanket. Oh no. Oh no. No! No! Oh my god! Stop! Okay, this is the cutest thing that I've ever seen. Oh no! Oh no! Okay, this might be my favorite thing that I got. I think for the rest of my life, I will only drink out of this official Akatsuki mug. I don't think I ever told you guys, like on YouTube, maybe I mentioned it on Twitter, but I have been obsessed with the Akatsuki since I was in middle school. I would read so much fanfic. So much fanfic. Listen. Imagine me chilling on my couch wrapped in this blanket, drinking out of my official Akatsuki mug, just reading Akatsuki fanfic. I'm so pleased. I literally went so unhinged, grabbing every single Akatsuki thing that I could find. Akatsuki slipper socks? Like, what? Oh my god, stop. There's little rubber padded clouds on the bottom. Oh my god, it's actually really soft on the inside. They're so cute. I'm excited to just replace my household slippers with these. I went so out of control with the Naruto stuff on their website. It's just a really cute, like, reusable water bottle. It's huge. Obviously, I had to choose this because Itachi's on here. I literally cannot believe, still to this day, how cute the Hello Kitty and Naruto collab is. And they keep releasing more designs, and oh my god. So I got the Naruto and Sanrio panel sweater. This is the cutest sweater in the world. Oh my god. I also got another Naruto t-shirt. Is this not the cutest thing in the world? It's the Naruto and Sanrio Ichiraku tee. I'm just really excited that I have like an entire closet full of this collaboration now. These shirts were going out of stock so fast. So yeah, if you see any of these like still in stock, you should definitely grab them because these keep selling out really fast. Also, I grabbed another one of these collaboration shirts. I was going to send this to my friend V. Last Naruto things that I got. I saw these on the site and I just couldn't say no. I feel like every Naruto fan has to have a Naruto headband. They're just like really thick and really heavy and really nice quality. I also got the Itachi headband just because, you know, my husband, the world's husband. You guys understand how I feel. I just got some Animal Crossing things because I also love Animal Crossing. I was so excited to see Animal Crossing stuff on the Box Lunch website. Oh my god, no, this is so cute. Yeah, I love Timmy and Tommy so much. They're so cute. And I love that they're like standing and peeking outside of this little pocket. So cute. I also really like the color. I don't wear like bright colors like this, so I thought that it was like really fun. I feel like this is just gonna become like an essential like at home outfit when I'm playing like 60 hours of Animal Crossing a week. And then I was thinking ahead for the summer. I wanted also like a summer shirt. So I just grabbed this really cute Animal Crossing tie-dye shirt. I just thought that it was so cute with this like little pastel color scheme. I felt like it was really charming. And finally, the last thing that I got is this KK Slider t-shirt. This isn't for me. I grabbed this for one of my other friends. It's so cute. It's like so rainbow, and then on the back it has like KK Slider songs on it. Again in rainbow. Just really cute. This is so cute. I got an Animal Crossing mug. Oh, this is the cutest thing in the world. I just had this idea that I wanted to be chilling with my Animal Crossing mug, and my Animal Crossing clothes, and I just wanted to be enveloped in this world of Animal Crossing as I continue to play for the next 6 hours. So that's it for my portion of the unboxing. I'm just gonna check in with my friends like via FaceTime because we all did a little holiday shopping spree at Box Lunch. Hi guys!
Hi.
Hello.
This is V and Jeremy.
Hello.
Yeah, are you ready to unbox?
I'm so ready. I'm so excited. I've been waiting so long.
Yay!
Oh my god.
No! No, you ordered that too?
Wait. We got... You got the same thing! Oh my god, this is so nice! Wow, I love it!
No!
Oh my god,
Me! No!
wait, what? Oh my god, there's little...
I know there's little clouds on the bottom. No! No!
Wow!
It looks great.
It's so festive, I love it.
Yay! That's cute.
Oh my god.
Wow, it's so soft, I love it.
Oh my god, that's really cute.
Isn't she so pretty? This
Oh my
is the
god.
Hello Kitty and Naruto box lunch collab.
Yeah, I got a couple
It's
too.
also a comfy shirt.
It's super cute. Oh my god.
Yeah, right? So cute.
Matching comfy shirts.
Oh, I forgot.
My Ichiraku ramen mug.
Oh wait.
You have the same one. Oh my god.
It says ramen is the best pleasure.
Ramen is the best pleasure. It does say that. It's a little Naruto over here.
Yay, thank you guys. Merry Christmas.
Thank
Merry
you.
Christmas,
Merry
thank you.
Christmas.
Yay. Ta-da. Who bought you that sweater?
You bought me the sweater. Thank you.
You're
I love
wel-
it.
You're welcome.
Dude, it's a lot of stuff.
Wait, I didn't even introduce you. Wait, you can help me. How long have we been best friends?
7 years, more than 7 years.
More than 7 years. Okay, yeah. This is my best friend Tinny.
It's the car cake.
Wow.
It's so cute.
Oh my god, you got a Tanjiro figure? Oh my god, that's ginormous.
It's cute, yeah. Whoa.
What? Okay, this is kind of ridiculous. Like, it's really nice. Dude, it looks so good. What?
Close it. Look.
Oh my god, what? Whoa, no.
This one's the one I was most excited for. And this is my first figure.
Really? Wait, I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, no.
Oh my god.
It's so pretty.
Oh my god, it's so pretty.
Wow.
Okay, this is ridiculous. The Rasengan looks so good.
Oh
No.
Shippuden, Akatsuki lamp.
Wow. Okay, it looks really, really good.
Thank you so much for having me be a part of this.
You're welcome. Wow, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you too.
So that's it for this video. I had such a ridiculously fun time doing this like little holiday shopping spree, and it was all safe, you know, distance, but I was still able to spend time with my friends and also just like show them my appreciation by giving them gifts. I'm also really thankful to Box Lunch for sponsoring me. Literally, you guys are the best. Like, this was the best video ever. And again, it's for a really amazing cause. Like, Box Lunch is partnering up with Feeding America throughout this entire 12 Days of Giving campaign. And again, just to remind you guys, for each view that this video gets, we are donating one meal to a person in need. So it's just a really, really great cause. I am so honored to be a part of it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys have a really happy and a really safe holiday. So yeah, as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again next week.